Yesterday, I have in detail, I have reacted in Delhi, and I would also like to tell him there are laws in the country, and court of law is there. Instead of doing any activity, after almost nearly about more than a year, more than almost 14 months, without any basis, he is alleging which are baseless, bogus, immature, and it speaks of his irresponsibility.
Sir, why not in Karnataka? Opposition says Congress helping Kerala amid fund crunch, taking into the JDS claimed Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and DCM indifference to the Kannadigas during times of distress in Kerala and Wayanad last year. The Congress government granted rupees 20 crores for a Wayanad landslide relief effort and previously gave rupees 15 lakh in compensation to a Kerala resident trampled by an fund.
See, it is because of this Nakali Gandhi family related, means it is Priyanka Vadra's constituency now. Previously, it was Rahul Gandhi's constituency. Karnataka's budgetary budget and fund is being diverted there because Kerala there is a Communist Party government. Though they are in Indi Gathbandhan, they are not ready to support any of the Congress. They are not ready to meet any of the Congress demands, and they are just trying to brush aside Congress Party and its leader there. That's why these people, Karnataka CM and Deputy CM, to save their chair, they are diverting the funds of the Karnataka, which genuinely it should reach to the poor people. Whereas if there is any attack from the elephant here in Karnataka and somebody dies, there they will give 5 lakh or 10 lakh. Whereas in Priyanka constituency, they have said it is 15 lakh. And what is the defense or justification they have given? Justification is that elephant was from Karnataka. How could they come? This type of foolish argument, they are always famous in giving such type of explanation and justification. And Karnataka people now, they are repenting for voting for the Congress party.
Sir, the reservation, internal reservation, Congress is going to take a decision on internal reservation for SC.
They will never take this government on any issue. They will never take decision.
Sir, the state education policy commission has recommended there is no need to teach the Hindi as the third language in Karnataka.
We have never told to teach any third as a Hindi as a third language or any language as a third language. We have said at least our children should learn three languages, and one is mother tongue or the regional language is compulsory. Second thing, any other two language. We have not said this language or not that language. We have never said that. Why you are trying to make it unnecessarily issue out of non-issue?